You're my soul.
What's next?
Either the petroglyphs or back to Vegas and to the pool.
Good morning. We are getting ready for a hike, and yes, I'm rocking my Daisy shirt, and it's Las Vegas, so the music has still not stopped.
Every time I close my
We just spent like 15 minutes wandering Treasure Island trying to figure out how to get here. We even got lost out of the parking at one point, but we made it. So we were in a crisis mode because we thought that Hafez forgot his glasses.
I didn't, they were in my pocket.
Yeah, we were like freaking out, we were like trying to find it, and it was like a whole thing. Now they're on his face. Finally made it to Fire Rock State Park. I think that's what it's called. We're going to the wave.
We're wearing white shoes too. It's perfect for this trail.
Is it because we're stupid?
No, because we didn't bring much. Packed light.
We're minimalist.
Do things and go places. We finally brought Daisy in the wild.
We're searching for like the actual fire wave. We found something back that way, but it doesn't totally seem like what we thought it was going to be. It's not unlike the YouTube videos we saw. So we're going to continue to search. Hafez is already on it.
Well, this is the best spot for a signal.
Okay, so this is round 2. We're at White Domes Park, and we're trying to find what we thought was the fire wave, but I think it's more of like a slot in a canyon that happens to look like the fire wave. So hopefully we can find it. It's about halfway through this hike. Run to catch up with Hafez. I got stuck on the trail. It's so busy. Say for an easy trail, that one was actually pretty good. We're back back to the parking lot, and yeah, it just did get really busy, and people bring like their toddlers and stuff on this hike, even though I probably wouldn't recommend it. Yeah, it's good, very beautiful photos. But yeah, partway through is that one slot canyon section that we really enjoyed. Yeah, you can do the full loop, and it's not that bad. This is the lineup to get in.
Wow, this is crazy. When we got here, it was like just us.